What is up guys, Cars Across Texas here today, and today is finally the day we go pick up the Z06. It's got the fresh headers, the fresh exhaust, and all that stuff on it. So, I really don't know what to expect from this because Ellie messaged me saying, it's stupid loud, and I told him, don't send me a video. I want to get my actual reaction on camera when I first hear it. So, without further ado, let's get down to HPC, check out the Z06. Alrighty guys, we're here at HPC, and I'm so excited. I've been bugging Ellie all day and I feel kind of bad because I've just been annoying him, but we're here and I'm super excited to hear how the car sounds and everything. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh my God, look at those exhaust tips. Oh man. So ladies and gentlemen, children, cover your ears. There's the custom whale cock intake right there.
So we can extract coolant from the back of the cylinder head, and that's Greg Good's parallel cooling modification. So Sweet. The head gasket is fully customized. They're made for us by CORVETTE, but we open up certain passages that aren't there on the factory head gasket to reroute the coolant to actually, keep everything better. We direct it to the hot side of the cylinder head, the exhaust side. Cars tend to run 15 to 20 degrees cooler.
Sweet.
And tend to take more timing as well. So
Sweet. So boys and girls, we got some big plans coming. There she's going back up for a little bit more fine tuning. Look how aggressive those exhaust tips look, man. My God. All right, first startup I've heard. Oh my God. That sounds so crazy. Sheesh. Oh my God, dude. God damn, son. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. I told y'all this car would not stay stock as long as the C6 Z06 did. We're already out here making big moves, and even bigger moves coming very soon.
There's just not that big of a difference. It's loud and louder. the valves inside.
Oh yeah, you got the valves inside. So it hits valves on it, but it's like the car is loud and then it's louder. Kind of weird seeing my car driving from the outside, but whew. I'm gonna go for a quick little street tune and I think we should be on our way. Oh yeah. Sheesh. Alrighty guys, first time starting it up on my own. Oh my God, that sounds so crazy. Alrighty guys, so I hope y'all can hear me. I'm so excited. This sounds so crazy in person. I don't know how it's gonna come across on GoPro, but we just picked it up from HPC and it's sounding fantastic. It's actually still in a 93 tune and there's no meth in the car right now. But I didn't get a dyno tune, just a basic like bass file to get it out and running and stuff like that. I'm not gonna be racing it this weekend or anything, so that's fine with me. And Monday we're gonna take it back. We're gonna do a little dyno video, see what kind of power I picked up and all that good stuff. So I can't say thank you to the guys at HPC enough, Ellie and all them, hooking it up massively for your boy, getting all the parts sourced on pretty short notice, and I was bothering about it because I just couldn't wait. But if you have any performance needs, make sure to hit up HPC, guys. He is definitely the best, and can't stress that enough. Tell him I sent you. Oh my God, that sounds so crazy. Jesus. That sounds nuts. But it's time to get onto a meet tonight. I'll pick this back up with y'all a little later when we go to get it dyno tuned and stuff like that. So I'll see you then. Man, what am I doing? Who am I kidding? I can't miss out on my first reactions to the new exhaust. My neighbors are not gonna be happy. It sounds so crazy. So guys, this is a Stainless Works Longtube header setup with a Magnaflow Competition Catback, and oh my God, it is loud. And I mean, if you're trying to build a Corvette as just like a nice little weekend cruiser and you don't want a lot of drone, blah 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 blah, it's not me. I don't care about drone. I just want to be really in your face. This is probably not the setup for you, gonna be real honest. But if you want to be loud and you just want a crazy, like low RPM, like throaty, but it gets kind of crazy, and I don't even know how to describe it in the high pitches. That's what I've heard so far. I haven't even really gone past like 3,500 RPM, if that. So it's pretty sick though. It is so goddamn loud, man. Oh my goodness. It's so goddamn loud. So a couple other things we did with the car aside from the headers and the exhaust. We got a Snow Performance Methanol kit on it, a E85 kit for it, a CNR Racing heat exchanger. What else did I do? Crap, I forget what else. Just all like the spark plugs and stuff like that changed, and man, I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, the whale cock intake. How could I forget that? That thing is huge. It's a custom 4.5-inch intake for this car. That's pretty damn badass, man. It's pretty sick. But I mean, the focal piece of this round of mods is clearly the headers and the exhaust and stuff like that. Now we're stupid loud. Now I think it's just time for me to become a choppy boy. So next time, I guess. About to get on the highway though. We'll see how it sounds under a little bit of throttle. That's exactly what I wanted. It has a really nice tone though. It's like nice and like throaty. My God, dude, I feel like I can be heard for like miles. It's that loud. Oh my God. I hope y'all can hear me. I don't know. I talk kind of loud, so maybe, but I don't know if it'll be over this exhaust, man. Jesus. I'm just gonna have the biggest smile on my face for the next couple of weeks. It's just too good, man. It's too good. It's Jesus. That's a ghost car, shit. My car is definitely legal, sir. No need to pull me over. That was the first underpass, but there's a ghost cop car right there. And I don't want to risk it. I saw like I was gonna rev that shit under the underpass too. Oh man, that's no fun. Alright boys. We have our first underpass here. Let's make a little bit of noise. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all's ears are gonna hurt really bad.